My dear ALPNs, this is your narrator wishing you the very best for the upcoming CLAT 2025 exam on December 1st. Regarding this, I just wanted to tell you that butterflies in your stomach are always good. A little bit of tension will always increase your performance. But remember, at the end of the day, less is more when it comes to exam day stress. I've seen many of you take exam day stress as a can be a big factor to derail your performance. So just stay relaxed, trust yourself, and try to give your best. And remember to treat CLAT like every mock exam so that you can do best. Once again, wishing the very best for the D-Day. All the very best from your narrator.
Hello Abhyaas, all the very best for your CLAT exam. You've prepared enough over the past many months. Just be confident. You've taken the sample test. You've seen the previous papers. You've done enough mocks. Just trust your preparation. Be confident. Do not go into exam hall with any anxiety or stress. Don't worry at all. Give your best performance so that after you leave the exam hall, you feel that you've done your best and you've given your utmost attention to every question and marked everything carefully. All the very best, and we will be catching up with you after the test. All good luck.
Dear ALPNs, Shaji sir here, wishing you all the very best for your upcoming CLAT examination. Stay confident, trust your preparation, and give it your best shot. Success awaits you. Good luck.
Hello everyone. So finally, the D-Day is about to arrive. You are going to achieve your dreams in the next 4 days. So you have done a lot of hard work all these months. So in the last moment, don't focus on anything new. So just revise whatever we have read till now. So this is the only advice as a faculty I can give you. So just revise whatever you have read till now. So your hard work will pay off. So thank you. All the very best for your CLAT 2025.
Hello everyone. As we have finished almost a journey together, I want to say a few lines to each one of you. You are invincible. You are unbreakable. You are a diamond cut to last. You are unstoppable. You are a hero like a phoenix from the ash. You know what? You have already won the war. The entire preparation journey has transformed you. Think about the person who started the journey and the kind of person you are today. Your preparation has molded you into a stronger, sharper, and more determined person. Right? So, just go and claim the victory which is already yours. Go break a leg and make us proud. All the very best, everyone.
Hello, dear Abhyaasis. I wish you all the best for December 1, that is CLAT 2025. Just remember, you have to be confident, you have to be calm, you have to be composed, and I know that you will do your absolute best. With that, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello guys, we came to an end. If you are with us from the beginning, you have attempted around 50 mocks and thousands of questions. And this is what I call a robust preparation. If it is not you, then who will get a good marks? So, all the best for your preparation. Don't lose hope at the ending and you will rock.
Hello friends. Since the exam is around the corner, I am here to wish you all the very best for your exam on December 1st. All the hard work and pain that you have endured in the previous 12 months will get definitely paid off. All the best and you will do well. Thank you.
Hello students. For the exam on December 1st, I wish to convey my best wishes to all of you. Trust yourself, believe your abilities. You've done your very best. Follow strategies when the test starts. Ensure that you follow a plan. Do the easiest questions first. Do the questions that require a little bit more effort as the second lot, and the third lot will be those questions that take you more time and trouble you most. Don't get stuck with any question. If a question is taking time, circle it and move along. uh, or make a note of the question that you got stuck. Revisit those questions at the end of the test. Believe that your best moments are going to start after the test. You will get a good score and you will shine and achieve and begin achieving everything from the moment you get the results of the test and then get the admission that you wish. Remember that your parents who've done so much for you are also waiting to see the result of your endeavors. So you don't have to feel tense, you don't have to feel worried. You only have to trust yourself and do your best. I'm sure all of you have done your best, and the best result that you deserve will come your way. All the best.
Hello everyone, this is Bhavisha with the CLAT exam just around the corner. I wanted to take a moment to wish you all the very best for your big day. You've prepared a lot in the last few months for this exam, so go in with confidence and focus, and during the exam read your questions carefully, trust your gut, trust your preparation, and do keep an eye on that clock. All the very best for your big day. We are all rooting for you. You've got this.
Hey all, I reached the side, so a little message for all of you. I know it's going to be, quite stressful. These days are definitely going to be quite stressful for you all. But all I can say with the little experience I have is that stress isn't going to take you anywhere. Little stress is healthy, but excessive stress, it's only going to make you feel worse. And trust yourself, have faith, trust your preparation. You have worked for I don't know how many years, but like probably 2 years. You've worked day and night, prepared, made notes, did lots of practice and gave mocks. Trust all of that. I know it's you still might feel a little unprepared. It's part of the process. You will definitely feel that. You will feel that you're not yet prepared to give the CLAT exam, but honestly, it's okay. It's easy. Comparatively, I think CLAT is pretty easy exam. The competition is not as compared to JEE and NEET, but it's still a good competition. It's still a good fight. Okay, so believe in yourself, I would say. If you have not prepared, just give as many mocks as I can. Be as present as you can during the CLAT exam. You have to give your best on that one day. Okay, you might have been scoring really good or really bad in your mock test. It doesn't matter. Whatever you scored, whatever you did in your preparation exams is not going to matter. What is going to matter is how you perform on that one day. Okay, on your CLAT exam, how you're going to perform, that is all what is going to matter. And honestly, it's just an exam. I know your whole life depends on just one day. It's not fair. It's not fair for anyone, but that's how life is. But I think and I believe truly that we all are capable of doing great things in life. So do not let this one exam, this one day of your whole life define your worth. You all are capable of great things. We all can do great things. Sometimes we have good days, sometimes we have bad days. We have to accept it. Just give your best, okay? Bye-bye.
Hello guys, CLAT 2024 exam is going on December 1st. All the very best to my students. Don't be panic.
Hello. So the hard work of 1 year is coming to an end, and you can do your best by just staying focused, attentive and calm in the exam. Just remember the tips and learnings and you will do your best. All the best.
Hi students, my name is Dr. Prasad. I am your QT faculty. So today I am here to wish you all the best for your exam. May your exam will be easy and your results will be fantastic. Thank you and all the best for your CLAT 2024 exam.
Hi boys and girls, With great dedication, you have been preparing for this upcoming exam. May God bless you with the power of discernment during the test. I wish you all the best, my dear students.
Hello, students. Remember, all the power of the universe is within you. You are designed to do anything and everything. But at this point, I think what we can do is give our best shot. So for that reason, best of luck for your exams. Conquer those 2 hours.
Hello guys, how are you? Is there any kind of difficulty you're facing for the upcoming examination? Yes? No, because the difficulties comes within. So if you are confident with your upcoming examination of CLAT, then you have to be confident and then you have to perform. Okay, so first of all, I'm wishing you all the very best for your upcoming examination. Plus guys, if you found any difficulties that ma'am, I'm not aware with the syllabus, I'm totally unaware of some concepts, so do not worry, you have enough knowledge to gain or to perform in this examination. So please be confident and perform well. Okay, so everything is there in your mind. If you feel free with your mind, you'll definitely perform well. If you feel bit struggled with your mind, do not do that.
Hi my dear students, how are you all? I want to wish you all the best for your exam, and I want to tell you that I had a great time knowing you guys and spending time with you guys. So may God be with you all the time in everything and always. See you all. Bye bye.
My best wishes to the students of Abhyaas who are going to write CLAT this year. All the best students. Come out with flying colors.
Hi CLAT aspirants. I hope you are preparing well for the exam. Do well on December 1st. All the best everyone.